In today's video, I'm going to show you Cursor versus Windsurf. Choose the right AI code editor in 2025. Currently, the competition between Cursor and Windsurf as AI-powered code editors is heating up, and the choice largely depends on how you like to integrate AI into your development workflow. Cursor has become a favorite among developers who want a familiar environment with deep AI assistance baked directly into their coding process. Built on top of the Visual Studio Code foundation, it feels instantly comfortable to most programmers, while its AI features powered by advanced context awareness help write, refactor, and debug code in real time. Cursor stands out for its ability to handle large projects, follow complex instructions, and maintain coding style consistency across an entire codebase, making it especially powerful for professional software teams and large-scale application development. Windsurf, by contrast, takes a more immersive and collaborative approach. It's designed to feel like pair programming with a highly skilled partner who not only writes code, but also helps you think through architecture, design decisions, and implementation strategies. Windsurf's agent-style AI interaction lets you break away from the typical prompt response model and instead carry on natural, ongoing conversations with your AI assistant while navigating your code. This makes it ideal for exploratory projects, rapid prototyping, and learning new frameworks or languages. Its integrated project planning tools and task-based workflows also make it appealing for solo developers who want everything in one place without jumping between tools. If your priority is working in a familiar environment with robust AI capabilities that can scale with complex projects, Cursor is the safer bet. But if you prefer an all-in-one, conversational, and highly interactive AI partner that helps shape your development process from start to finish, Windsurf might feel more revolutionary. In short, Cursor is the evolution of what you know, while Windsurf is a reimagining of what coding can be. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.